Hello friends, welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today under Amazing Math Tricks, I will show you how quickly, easily and within seconds we can factor quadratic equation. So let's see how to do this factoring. Hello friends, today under Amazing Math Tricks, I will show you how to factor quadratic equations very quickly, easily and within seconds. So let's start. Let us see if there is a quadratic equation like 14x square plus 41x plus 15 is equal to 0. So we will see how to factor this quadratic equation very quickly, but just I will let you know the process. For that time, for that reason it might take little time, but when you people will do it, it will take hardly some seconds. Okay, now what I will write, this 14 we will focus on this one and we will focus on this one first. Okay, 14x square, this 14x square is a multiple of like 2 into 7. 2 into 7 is 14 or 7 into 2 is 14. So I will write the lowest number on the top, like 2x into 7x is 14x square. Similarly, coming here to 15. So I will write, this is a tricky part. So I might write like 5 3s are 15 or 3 5s are 15. So first of all, always we should write the lowest number on the top, and we need to see if it works, or if it doesn't work, just we need to reverse the number. Okay, and we will do a cross multiplication. So guys, this trick is called as quadratic equation trick with the help of cross multiplication. Okay, now if I multiply here, like I am getting 21x and this one is 10x. Guys, this doesn't help because we are not getting 41, we are just getting 31. So what I will do, just I will reverse the thing. So guys, what will happen, like out of your experience, once you get experience into this process, then you could easily understand which one will come first, whether the lower number or the higher number. So I will take 5 and 3. 5 3s are 15, so I am taking 5 and 3. Now let us do the cross multiplication. So 5 7s are 35, I am getting 35x, and 3 2s are 6, so I am getting 6x. And if I add 35x plus 6x, I am getting 41x. So this one is also satisfying. Okay, now as these are positive, so our sign will be positive here, and here we go. The two equations for these are 2x plus 5 and 7x plus 3. Just this one, 2x plus 5 and 7x plus 3. That's all guys. Don't you feel that this equation is very easy? This is the answer. Now let us move ahead and solve one or two more equations so that the picture will be more clear. Okay, now let us solve another quadratic equation, and let us take like 2x square minus x minus 45. Okay, so 2x square minus x minus 45 is equal to 0. Okay, now let's see the same process I will adopt. 2x square is nothing but 1x into 2x, which is 2x square. Similarly 45. So for 45 we know that it is 5 9s are 45. So I will first of all keep the lower number on the top and the higher number on the bottom. Now I will just do a cross multiplication and I will see what I am getting. So 2x into 5 is 10x and 1x into 9 is 9x. And guys, we could see here it is minus x. So definitely here it is going to be minus 10x. Now minus 10x and 9x is minus x. So what I will do, here it is minus, so I will put a minus symbol here, and here it is plus, I will put a plus symbol here. So my both the factors are x minus 5 and 2x plus 9. Don't you feel that this is easy? See how quickly we are able to find out x minus 5 and 2x plus 9 are the factors of this equation. Now let us move ahead and quickly do one more equation so that we will be very sure and our hands will open and we can do more clear. Okay, so let us take a quadratic equation like 2x square plus x minus 300, okay, is equal to 0. Now guys, here we will apply the same trick, like 2x square is nothing but 1x and 2x. So 1x into 2x is nothing but 2x square. Now coming to this part, 300. We are first of all focusing on this one, and we are all focusing on this one to extract this one, okay. Now 1x into 2x is 2x square, 300. So 300 means I can write 12 into 25, okay, because 12 into 25 is 300. So 12 into 25. So if I do a cross multiplication, let's see what I am getting. Now coming here 2x into 12 is 24x, and this one 25x I am getting. But guys, here our value is plus x, so that means 24x will be negative and this one will be positive. So minus 24x plus 25x is nothing but x. So here my symbol will be minus and my symbol here will be plus. So the two equations are x minus 12 and 2x plus 25. Don't you feel that this is easy? So the two equations are like x minus 12 and 2x plus 25. So the main important thing is like we need to first of all find out this one 300, because mostly this constant figure, because if we put this one in ax square plus bx plus c, because this c is a constant, so most of the time we might feel little bit difficult to find out the factors of this constant term. But for that, what you can do, just we can factorize that one, like 300, we can factorize 300 and we can see, like if I do 6 5s are 30, I am getting 50, 5 25s, 5 10s are 50, okay, and then I am getting 2 5s are 10. So guys, this is what we are getting once we factorize this one, and from here we need to take the combinations and we need to see which one works. Like for here, these two combinations, 6 into 2 and 5 into 5, these two combinations work for us. Like this we need to factor if we are unable to find out in a view, like once we are seeing this and if we are not able to identify, we need to take the help of this one. We need to factor and we need to find out quickly. Hope this short trick will help you to easily do the factors of the quadratic equation during the examinations. Guys, please subscribe. If you really like my videos, I would request you to kindly subscribe and also let your friends know. This will motivate me to create similar videos in the future. Thank you. Bye.